Hello beautiful people, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for always tuning in. So today we are in the journey heading to Jebel Ali Beach. So what I want you to do is please subscribe, like video and share. Please stay on and see what I want to show you, the difference between Jebel Ali Beach and this JBR. Here, to be honest, family is there. When you go to Jebel Ali Beach, the water is so cool, the water is so nice, the beach is nice, and there are not so many, the people are not many. Too high. I don't know, maybe it's because it's very near and it's open beach. It's very near, so transportation is easy for people to come near Marina Beach. Not like this what the Jebel Ali, you can swim around, you can swim in the water as you go. So if you wanna go to this, the water is so nice, the water is cool, and the water is beautiful, to be honest. Here over there you can see this sea is really separated. In the middle I see the difference. In the middle there is a road, a highway road, and the Jebel Ali Beach is connected to the port, and there are some places of which you cannot cross because they don't allow people to cross it. The way you see that view over there, they are constructing a road. Is maybe they dig it under the sea and they are constructing it, because this side there is water and also the other side is water. So this is in Jebel Ali. So I went there at a weekend, so I tried to enjoy myself. But what I saw here, if you're going to try to go maybe like with your friend, don't go alone because you're gonna be bored. You know, here in Marina, people are closed. You go into the beach and like you say, I don't want to swim because of too many people. But Jebel Ali Beach, those people who want private, even like I was scared of making video, and I said no, let me do it for my followers. You see all this population at Maria, at Jebel Ali Beach, you can't find it. And people at Jebel Ali Beach, those who come in family, because there's another side, there is a resort, and mostly the people I saw there at the beach, they are family, they come together. So, and all couple family, they also go there and enjoy. Once you need privacy, you don't want anyone to show you, and people are there, they are minding their business. But here in the marina, even the water is get tired of people because the beach is almost full, which you're not going to find at Jebel Ali Beach. So guys, if you get time and you want to feel the water, you want to swim like when you're enjoying, you can also go to Jebel Ali Beach. The water is too cold. I almost like don't want to go in the
wanaomba nyumirwa nga tuli ku mazzi. Over the view, you can get it, everything is so nice. Alright guys,
anyway guys, let me let you to enjoy the video. But before we go ahead, please hit the like button, subscribe on it, and share with friends. Thank you so much on being F2S and travel. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Let me leave you to enjoy this video. You're going to see the difference between Jumeirah Beach and Jebel Ali Beach. See you guys. Here we still in Jumeirah. Whenever you see that there are not many people, that is Jebel Ali Beach. But this beach is free. And this note. At Jumeirah Beach, it's like the Jumeirah Beach, there is a bathroom and there's some water, though you can pay for some. But here, if you decided to go to Jebel Ali Beach, make sure you're not drinking a lot of water, make sure you're not eating a lot, because there are no bathroom and there are no toilets. Alright guys, see you next time.
They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Best to give me your loyalty, 'cause I'm taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling me, they'll be calling me royalty. Taking the world, you'll see. They'll be calling